Nowadays, easiest way to make money online is by clipping famous streamers. And to prove that, I'm Akira, just a regular teenager, and last month, I did over $20,000 doing nothing but watching my favorite streamers and clipping them on my phone. No editing degree, no expensive equipment, just me and my phone, and even faceless. And since you clicked on the video, you must have seen a lot of my streamers clips in your timeline and wondered why I do it. Well, you're lucky that you clicked this video, since I will be explaining how you can start earning money by just watching and clipping streamers. And the good part is, clipping niche is still completely new. If you're watching this, consider yourself super lucky because you're catching this at the very start of something huge. Streamers are just starting to go viral, and this is the perfect time to start. So let me break down exactly how clipping works. Imagine a streamer goes live for 6 to 10 hours straight. That is a lot of hours to watch for a viewer, and honestly, most people don't have time for that. So what we do as clippers is we watch the whole stream and clip only the parts where something actually happens, like a funny moment, rage moment, and even drama sometimes. Basically anything that goes viral. So people who miss the stream can find our clips and watch them. Since they are easy to watch and even short, they range between 15 to 16 seconds, unlike the whole stream. Now, why streamers need clippers? Big streamers don't have time to sit and edit their own content. They are live for hours and they be tired. So when you come in as a clipper, you're not bothering them, you're actually helping them to blow up even more. Most streamers grow faster from clips than from their actual lives. Some of the biggest streamers today blew up only because us clippers posted their moments everywhere. So trust me, you're not stealing content, you're literally giving them free promotion. And before you overthink it, no, you don't need a PC, you don't need some crazy setup. You can clip on your phone, edit on your phone, and upload on your phone. I literally manage all my pages with my phone only. Now we understood how does clipping works. How do you actually generate money from it? There is two options. Either you contact the streamer and he pays you, or you go with the easy option, which is joining clipping campaigns, which got multiple options to earn, promote songs by using them on your clips, or the most famous one is the logo ones, like the gambling ones, stake, embed, that you most likely seen on your timeline before. Personally, I run 3 clipping pages, and from just posting those clips, I generate between 20,000 and 30,000 a month. And here is proof. My pages generate me 100 to 300 million views every month, per page by the way. From that, I easily make 13k to 30k on a single page. One of my newest clipping pages already made me 7k this month. Now imagine what one page can do, then imagine how many pages there are. Check the link in the description and sign up for my waitlist for my inner circle clip nerds. That's where I share the secrets on how to get original clips, even if you are not the first to upload, how to avoid TikTok shadow bans, and exactly how to capture streamers so you can get paid by them. I even show you where to find the highest paying campaigns and how to target USA, even though you're not from the USA like me. I guarantee you, you will make your first dollar in just 3 days. If not, I will gladly refund your money. So the choice is yours. Anyways, how long it takes to see results? For me, it took me around 2 weeks to get my first viral clip, which reached 300,000 views. And keep in mind, I did not know how to clip, neither warm up the TikTok page. And yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know. And keep in mind that clipping is still starting. And honestly, the only difference between the people making money and the people still watching is who actually takes action. If you have been wanting something easy, something you can do from your phone, something that does not require you to show your face or spend thousands on equipment, this is it. You are here early, you got the information, and now it's up to you. So if you're ready to take this seriously, check out the description and join the waitlist and start your page today. Anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Stay consistent, stay focused. Peace.
I'm not crazy, motherfuckers. I'm just not you. Stay hard.